Creative College is known for its world-class education and is one of the top international schools in the UK. With its growing student population, the college needs a new facility to accommodate 1,500 students between the ages of 3 and 18 from 40 different nationalities. We need to achieve 3 goals: achieve sustainable standards with low-carbon design strategies, promote interaction between students and community, and guarantee support, health, and well-being of all the students. The site has an area of 100,000 meters squared and is located in suburban Bristol. It is surrounded by residential buildings and roads with medium to high traffic. The existing amenities are 2 entrances on the south side and 1 entrance in the east side, sports fields towards the west, and natural physical barriers throughout. The climate is temperate with warm summers and cool and rainy winters. The site is mainly affected by the southwest wind.
The site conditions have influenced our design, with the main entrance at the south leading to a central open space with different blocks around. The teaching blocks are located at the east to avoid traffic noise, with primary school just by the entrance to provide easy access for younger students. The catering services at the main halls are located to the north, while sport block is located to the west to be connected with existing sport fields. The library is located in the central heart of the school and implies a transition between primary and secondary school. The teaching blocks are oriented with the main spaces facing north and south to increase daylight. Each block has a main entrance from the central area and another one from the east for flexibility and emergency. The uniformity of classrooms promotes equality and unity in the learning environment for all students, while the wide corridors separating classrooms provide a multifunctional learning space for art, technology, and science, and a common area for students to socialize, interact, and relax. Trees are planted throughout the site to provide shading and noise reduction. The green areas promote connection with nature and provide areas of interaction between students, parents, and the community. The different buildings in campus use off-site prefabricated units to minimize waste and construction time and allow for easy and quick expansion. The prefabricated units are made of structural insulated panels that is made of recycled materials, with an expanded polystyrene core that provides a U value of 0.15 watt per meter square Kelvin at a thickness of 260 millimeters. Low triple glazed windows are used throughout the campus. Different types of roofs are used in the design. The grand majority is an integrated photovoltaic roof that is positioned in an angle to capture maximum solar radiation and generate electricity. A green roof is used at the entrance near the parking lot to capture the released CO2. A tensile fabric canopy is used at the outdoor catering area so that it can be used and removed based on the weather conditions.
For daylighting, the north facade windows are larger than the south-faced windows. A skylight in the teaching space communal area allows for bold daylight. Horizontal shading devices are added to the windows to diffuse and distribute lights in the classrooms. The sports facility has high windows and skylights to minimize glare and the use of artificial lighting. The roof of the teaching space extends beyond to avoid overheating in summer and enough solar gain in winter. External heat gains are reduced with external roof shading and the right windows positioning. The buildings are strategically oriented to allow the southwest wind to move throughout without obstructions. It is a great opportunity for providing natural ventilation to the classroom. Ground source heat pump system is used as a supplementary system in case the natural ventilation is not enough. Water travels through the pump located underground, pick up the Earth's temperature and cooling the air in the classroom. The same thing happens in the winter when heating the space, and it also can heat the water for daily use. In winter, mechanical ventilation heat recovery system used for provide fresh air. By using this system, fresh air can be preheated so that the energy consumption of heating can be reduced.
A system of rainwater harvesting is installed in every facility to collect water for usage as grey water, recycling, and for plant irrigation.
The campus is organized to promote a university type of environment in order to provide secondary school students a smooth transition to university. The central space, which is accessible by the main entrance, serves as reference point, allows for transparency and visibility of spaces, and encourages connection to the community. During weekends, this central space is used for farmers market and kiosks for local community vendors, while the sports facility and the learning sources center is open to the public throughout the week.